say that I am wasting time. They say I am crazy. They are wrong. Now, ready? Machine 1. Initiate. As the focal point of any car modification project, the wide body has the potential to transform a vehicle's appearance completely, making it look intensively aggressive while emphasizing its undeniable presence. In previous episodes, we've deployed such modification strategy numerous times. The wide body first appeared on early time race cars. It is no secret that cars with greater horsepower are more susceptible to tire burn and slides. The solution to these problems was to increase the wells of the tires and the lengths of the axles. However, the addition of these distances would likely cause harm by inconvenient tire body contact. To accommodate the wider tires and larger axle distance, the engineers adopted a simple but effective method. The wide body would turn out to be the first case of wide body modification. Nowadays, wide body is no stranger to many car modification enthusiasts. In today's episode, we'll take the Audi A4 as an example and elaborate on the passions people have on wide body modifications. This particular A4 has on it a suit of low-profile small wide-body kit. People not familiar with the A4 model might even notice the difference. The wide-body is accompanied by the RS4 body kit. It integrates seamlessly into the appearance of the car without any intrusion or discordance. The pure black color imparts the unique RS4 solidness. Another distinctive design would be the Uno well-customized black custom rims. I like the design very much. It fits my design philosophy and style, as with the A6 Avant. The A4 is also equipped with the SCC Racing Grade Air Capsule suspension and the Airlift 3H pneumatic system. I have explained the application of racing grade suspensions in details in the previous episodes. Why not include them in the roster when they are both aesthetic and great performance boosters? The idea is similar to the wild body modification. No one dislikes the Audi B series rally race cars back in the days. They were not only the best performing cars at the time, but also possesses the mesmerizingly artistic facade. On this Audi A4, we've used the same design style as the B series rally cars, aggressive and aesthetic. This A4 is a complete copy of the RS4 in a satin shell. I'm not kidding. APR intercooler, forged decompression valves, and the 034 turbo suit enhanced the original engine system and optimized the turbo 2-liter engine to showcase its full potential. The engine reaches 450 horsepower and 600 Nm torque, achieved by specialized configuration of the ECU 3-tire program. The numbers go hand in hand with the original RS4, which translated the A4 into a sedan version RS4. Due to the sub-pair gearbox configuration, the A4 runs the active gear shifting TVS Stage 2 gearbox software. A Let's solidify the numbers by demonstration. We'll conduct a linear acceleration test. This should help the A4 to impress you easily. The starting off is highly efficient. The Quattro 4-wheel drive and the wide tires brought amazing traction. The motion wasn't lacked in any way by the empty rotations, as if the tires are glued to the asphalt. There is hardly any side inclination due to the addition of the front and rear swing arms, which ensure the comfort of the driver and the passengers. At the same time, enhance the controllability of the car and its performance on the bands. Even on a very bendy track, the powerful engine can effortlessly demonstrate its full potential. Although the car possesses the same level performance of an RS4 and equipped with many racing-grade parts, the owner of the car prefers to take it to the streets instead of tracks. That is to say, the wide-body modification wasn't done due to racing needs, but for the owner's aesthetics alone. The inspiration of the wide-body trend came from nowhere else than the old-timey race car's exquisite qualities. In all the past Ready Machine 1 episodes, be it auto show cars that emphasize purely the appearance, the sports cars, or street cars like the A4 here, they all in some way adopted the wide-body aesthetics. Far from rendering the car culture homogeneous, it shows the lineage that runs through the history of it.
Ready, Machine 1.